In this video tutorial, we're going to learn how to change owner of a listing within your PremiumPress theme. From the PremiumPress dashboard, locate your listings page. Now select the listing you want to change the owner of and click Edit. From the top right buttons, click the WordPress icon to load the default WordPress editor. Here you can see and edit all of the listing options using the default WordPress editor. To change the listing owner, we must scroll down and locate the author box. If you found this video useful, please let us know by liking and subscribing so we can keep making new videos for you. Thank you.